In this video, we're going to install the dashboard for Seam. We've already installed Seam itself. Go into the documentation, go to installing Seam and scroll down a little bit in the page. We get to where we can install the dashboard. I'm just going to copy that and paste it because I make lots of typos. So there's the command. And when we run that command, Conda first tries a simple, quick way to figure out what it needs to install, and that in this case doesn't work. So now it's going to download more information about what's at Conda. It's going to take it a little while to download this. Now it's downloaded it and it's figuring out what it needs to install, what versions, etc. Takes it a little while to do this, but not terribly long. Now this is what it's going to install. We will just hit return to get the default. And now it's downloading packages that haven't already been downloaded to the machine. I have quite fast internet, so you may be a little bit slower through this section, but it doesn't take very long. Once it's downloaded all the packages it needs, it's going to create the environment and install everything in it. That's what's going on as it's executing the transaction. That's done, and so as it suggests, what we need to do now is activate the environment. So just going to copy that, paste it in here, and activate. And if you notice on the left here, it nicely says what environment we're running in, so you can use that in the prompt to check that you're in the right environment. Now if we go back to the documentation, there's the activate, which we've just done, and the next step here is to run the dashboard, which we do by just typing the command in, so seam/dashboard. And when it starts up, it runs a lot of debug or logging output, and then it's just sitting here. And it says it's running on the address above 127.0.0.1. So let's go to the browser and get a new window and type in the address. That brings up the dashboard. It's running fine. In the next video, we'll work out how to log in and set things up a little bit more.